Range Life Home by RELM Builders plus PLOTNONPLOT Architecture in Ottawa, Canada. Range Life is a contemporary bungalow designed to house a young family in Ottawa's established Glabar Park neighborhood. Various design and detailing strategies were implemented to blur the interior and exterior, and yield a home that captures both the openness of roaming outdoors with the safety of enclosure. Visibility from the street to the inside of the home is minimized through the dramatic vertical cuts into the facade, oblique angles to gracious views, a deeply carved roof with protective overhangs, interior screening mechanisms, and careful functional programming. Despite the restrictive covenants governing this particular street, Range Life allows for playful moments that create a dynamic home for the family and visitors alike. Thoughtful illumination strategies allow natural light and shadow to be emphasized from dawn to dusk against the white exterior form and glass. Architects, PLOTNONPLOT Architecture, RELM Builders. Area: 3,700 square feet. Year: 2023. Photographs: Killeen RELM. Manufacturers: Artemide, Beldenbrick, Bocci, Euroline, Ideal Roofing, Mirage Floors. Structure Engineer, Daily Engineering. Mechanical Design, Efficient Home. Architecture and Interior Design, PLOTNONPLOT Architecture. Project Manager, Michael Mazzarello, RELM Builders. Site Supervisor, Taylor Catronio, RELM Builders. City: Ottawa. Country: Canada.